Hey guys, so this is my dog. Mm. His name is Milo. Okay? And he's the reason why we're still here in UK. Hindi kasi namin maibiyahe ito sa Philippines. Yan siya. Ang kulit niya, oh. Ang kulit niya. Any suggestion kung paano namin siya maiuwi sa Philippines? Kasi we're planning to settle down back in the Philippines. But because of my dog, kaya kailangan namin mag-travel every 2 months back in the Philippines. Ganun na lang ginagawa namin. But then, if we can able to take this dog home with us, na hindi siya masyadong mahirapan, then kaya pwede namin gawin, and then we can retire back in the Philippines. Kaya yun. Hindi kasi namin siya maiwanan dahil malungkot siya, and nararamdaman niya rin na malapit na rin kami ulit uuwi ng Philippines. Malapit na naman namin iiwanan. But luckily at this time, meron yung kuya niyang, meron yung anak kong magbabantay sa kanya for a month until he goes to Australia. So, here we are. Kaya, actually, he's the reason why I didn't take any shift today while waiting for our flight kasi magbanding muna kami dahil malungkot na siya eh. Nararamdaman niya na. So, that's it. Okay? So, baka may suggestion kayo kung paano namin siya maiuwi ng Philippines. Baka pwede nyo kaming i-message or comment down below. Kasi gustong-gusto na namin siyang iuwi sa Philippines. Alright, thank you. Bye. Bye. Say bye, Milo. Milo, say bye. Bye, Milo. Say bye. Oh, yun. Okay, bye.